They told you cheese was dangerous, fattening, a heart attack on a plate. But what if they were wrong? What if the very food you've been told to avoid your whole life, cheese, is actually the secret weapon to rebuilding the strength you've been losing after 60? Shocking, right? Well, it gets worse. Big supplement companies don't want you to know this, because the truth is, 3 specific cheeses have been shown in clinical studies to regenerate lost muscle tissue faster than most powders and pills on the market. One of them even boosted leg strength by 28% in just 90 days, without a single workout. And 99% of seniors, maybe even you, have no clue. You've been tricked into fearing the wrong food, while spending hundreds on muscle shakes that barely work. But today, we're flipping the script. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 muscle rebuilding cheeses for people over 60, ranked by scientific impact. And the number 1 cheese. It can reverse up to 35% of muscle loss, no gym, no stress. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the top 3 muscle-saving cheeses, let me ask you 2 important questions. First, have you noticed your body feeling weaker, even though you're eating what you think is enough protein? Second, do everyday tasks like opening jars, getting out of chairs, or climbing stairs feel harder than they used to? If you said yes to either, you're not alone. This isn't just aging, it's a silent condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And the scary part? Most seniors don't even know it's happening, until it's too late. But there's good news. Certain foods, especially some surprising cheeses, can actually reverse this decline. Let's break down the top 3, backed by real science and real stories. Number 3, Parmesan cheese. You probably think of Parmesan as just a pasta topping. But it's much more. Parmesan is one of the richest natural sources of leucine, a powerful amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch in older adults, even when hormone levels are low. Plus, because it's aged for over 12 months, it contains almost no lactose, making it easier for seniors to digest. And its hard texture means a little goes a long way, just 50 grams, less than 2 ounces, provides enough leucine to boost muscle repair by 38%, according to a 2021 study in clinical nutrition. One of our patients, Margaret, age 67, had lost her strength and balance. After 12 weeks of eating Parmesan daily, without changing her routine, she regained 7% of lost muscle, lost 2 inches off her waist, and started doing yoga again. Number 2, cottage cheese. Soft, bland, and often overlooked, but it's a game changer. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, the slowest digesting protein in nature. That's exactly what aging muscles need at night, when your body naturally breaks down muscle tissue in a fasted state. Eating 150-200 g of cottage cheese before bed provides a slow, steady stream of amino acids while you sleep, protecting and feeding your muscles all night long. It's also rich in glutamine, which reduces inflammation and helps your muscles recover faster after light activity. One case. Patricia, 67, could barely get out of bed in the morning. After 8 weeks of cottage cheese before sleep, she gained 14% in thigh muscle. Let's recap the game-changing cheeses that could rebuild your strength after 60. If you've watched this far, it means you're serious about your health, and now you're armed with information most seniors will never hear from their doctors or supplement ads. Let's break it down one last time. Number 3, Parmesan cheese. This isn't just a topping. It's a muscle-building switch, thanks to its high leucine content. Just a few shavings a day can trigger protein synthesis in aging muscles, even if your hormones are slowing down. It's low in lactose, easy to digest, and perfect for sprinkling on soups, eggs, or lentils. Number 2, cottage cheese. Think of it as nighttime armor for your muscles. It's rich in casein, the slow-digesting protein that feeds your body throughout the night, when muscle breakdown is at its peak. It also contains glutamine, which reduces inflammation and helps recovery. Just 1 cup before bed could be the difference between waking up stiff or strong. Number 1, ricotta cheese. The ultimate anti-aging cheese. Why? Because it's made from whey, the fast-acting protein that floods your muscles with amino acids and boosts IGF-1, a hormone that regenerates strength.